2025 isn't about AI potential. It's about who still has a job so far. Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, even IBM, they've all started gutting teams in the name of AI alignment. Here's a quick tour through the friendly corporate slaughterhouse. Microsoft laid off about 3% of its people in May. That's 7,000 humans gone, mostly from sales and middle management. The reason? They're shifting billions into AI infrastructure. Translation: fewer birthday cupcakes, more liquid-cooled server racks. Meta trimmed a few thousand jobs across reality labs, AI safety, and middle managers. They're now building AI faster with fewer people to tell them maybe don't. Irony bonus: the AI safety team was among the first to go. Intel's cutting 15 to 20% of its chip-making workforce. That's up to 20,000 people. Their new strategy: fewer hands, more silicon. Because apparently, even the company making the machines can't outcompete them. IBM is slowly phasing out 8,000 roles, mostly in HR and admin. Because its AI tools can now handle the basics, which in this case means letting people go. With a smile and perfect grammar, Amazon CEO warned staff to expect layoffs as AI systems take over customer support, logistics, and even HR. Hundreds have already been cut, possibly by emails written by the system that replaced them. Salesforce laid off about 1,000 people not in AI. Of course, they're hiring plenty there. But if you worked in legacy support or not the future, congrats. You've been optimized. Cybersecurity company CrowdStrike let go of 500 people, which is a nice way of saying, we built smarter security now, you're the cost we're securing against. Google cut 200 staff in sales and business ops. Official reason: we're aligning around AI. Unofficial translation: we're betting you won't notice who's gone, as long as the search results still load. That's over 22,000 roles across US tech already gone. Not because business is down, but because AI is up. And the better it gets, the more redundant we do. So if your job hasn't been aligned yet, congrats, but you're not safe. You're just in queue. Subscribe to Outsmart AI, and thanks for watching.